What's up, Namblers? Check these out. These right here are always the hit whenever I make them for the holidays. Topped with bacon and cheese, these shrimp and crab crostinis will have your guests come running back for seconds. In this video, we'll be stuffing them into, you guessed it, Nampanadas. Super fun and easy to make, these bad boys fried directly from frozen, so you always want to have some on hand. Alright, let's namble. For the recipe, it starts off with chopped surimi crab and a shrimp. And as always, you can find the recipes, equipment, ingredient lists, and so much more at namseatery.com. You want them satisfyingly chunky, but small enough so that they stick together and don't fall apart. Follow that up with chopped scallions or chives. To the meat, we'll add salt, a bit of freshly ground pepper, white of course since we're working with lighter meat such as seafood, and a touch of sugar. You can add a dash of lemon or lime juice if you wish, but I usually skip that. Add enough mayo to bind everything together. And my secret ingredient, crumbled bacon, which makes everything better. Go ahead and mix all of that together. This recipe will taste better the next day if you allow the flavors to marry overnight. For the crostinis, scoop the mixture onto baguette slices. You can use cheddar, but you know me, I love that in American cheese for its gooiness that stays soft and appetizing even when cooled. Top them off with more bacon and bake at 400 for 10 minutes. And there you have it, bacon, shrimp, and crab crostinis. Don't they look bomb? These guys are usually the first to go at holiday parties, and with good reason. They're delicious. Now it's Nampanada time. We'll be using the same filling, but with a minimal mayo. I usually leave the bacon out for those who don't eat meat. We'll cut the cheese slices into quarters. They should fit perfectly into our empanada shells. Here I'm using semi-thawed Goya empanada shells, which you can find at most ethnic supermarkets and some Walmarts. We'll wet the rim with a touch of cold water to help seal, add 2/4 of cheese, and a heaping tablespoon of our filling. Don't overstuff or they'll burst during cooking. This recipe can be baked, but I recommend frying for the faster cook time so that the filling doesn't have time to ooze out. Give them a firm seal using an empanada press by crimping with a fork, or you can get fancy by using your hands and repulgue the empanadas. Looking good. You'll want to fry the empanadas immediately or freeze them for later service. You can fry them directly from frozen, which makes them a super convenient appetizer or entree. I won't judge. My babies. Give them a quick fry and they're ready to serve. And there you have it, shrimp and crab nampanadas with melty American cheese. Your family will love this recipe. Comment to let me know how it goes. I look forward to seeing you all in the comments and in the next video. Thanks for watching.